Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the math session. Our topic is Shahid saves the bank in page number 199. So, as we know, the topic is Shahid saves the bank. So, who is Shahid? Let's see here. Shahid works in a bank. He sits at the cash counter. Okay, so here is the picture of Shahid, and actually he is a bank cashier. What is the duty of bank cashier? Bank cashier does money transaction, or we can say he deals with money from customer. Okay, sometime what happen, sometime customers give him lots of coin, so it's take too much time to count the coin. So what he decided, he just weighed them. Here is written, whenever there are too many coins, he does not count them, he just weighed them. Okay, because weighing is so much easier. Okay, so look at this picture here. What is the situation here? See, one customer gave him a bag of 5 rupees coins. So what he says here is, he is saying, weighing is so much easier. The weight of a 5 rupees coin is 9 gram. So children, when you measure the weight of 5 rupees coin, you will find its weight is 9 gram, right? So he says, tell me the weight of the sack. So he is holding this sack with 5 rupees coin. So he is saying, tell me the weight of the sack and I will tell you the number of coins in it. So first he will measure its weight, and then according to its measurement he will say the number of 5 rupees coins, right? So, when Shahid measured the bag of 5 rupees coins, he got 9 kg. Okay, so the weight of 5 rupees coin is, the weight of sack is 9 kg, right? So, the question is, how many coins are in the bag? So, here we know the weight of a 5 rupees coin is equal to how much gram? 9 gram. Okay, so first what we write, the weight of a 5 rupees coin is equal to 9 gram. So as we know, what is the weight of the bag? The weight of the bag is 9 kg. Okay, but children, here we have to convert. Here is gram, here is written in gram, and here is kilogram. So we must have to convert into gram. How to convert? Children, you have learned in previous class. Okay, again we will write here. We know 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, right? So we have to find 9 kg. So 9 kilogram is equal to what we write? We will multiply by 9. Okay, so 9 multiplied by 1000 is equal to what? 9000 gram. That is weight of this bag. Okay, so the question, what is the question? We have to find total numbers of coins in this bag or in this sack. Okay, so what we do? We will divide. So first we will divide the weight of bag in gram, that is 9000, and this 9000 divided by 9, that is the weight of 5 rupees coin, right? So children, how can we divide directly? It is so easy. This 30 we will write here, and remaining number we will divide by 9. So how many times we read the table of 9 to get 9? 9 ones are 9. So one time only. So we will write here 1. So what we found? 1000 coins. Okay. So How many coins? Total 1000 coins are in the bag. That is your answer. How is easy? So children, you have to write in your textbook here 1000 coin. Okay. Now children, some questions are given here based on it. So let's start to solve. What is the question? How many coins are there in a sack of 5 rupees coins? So here is given different weight, 18 kg. So children, we will solve this question in notebook, right? So I have written here question, how many coins are there in a sack of 5 rupees coins? Okay. So first the weight of this sack is 18 kg. Okay. So first we have to write the weight of a 5 rupees, 5 rupees coin. Okay. Is equal to how much gram? 9 gram. Okay. But children, here is given the weight in kilogram. So what we do? We have to convert into gram. Right. So first we write 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So 18 kilogram is equal to what? We will multiply 1000 by 18. So how to multiply directly? This 30 we put here. Okay, and we multiply 18 by 1, that is 18. 18 ones are 18. So the weight of the sack is 18,000 gram. Right. Now what we have to find? We have to find number of 5 rupees coin in 18 kgs sack. So here what we do, children? We will divide 18,000 divide by 9. That is the weight of a 5 rupees coin. Okay. So when we how to divide, children, directly? You should learn to divide directly. So this 30 again we write here. And we read the table of 9 to get 18. How many times? 9 ones are 9 and 9 twos are 18. How many times? 2 times. So what we write here? 2. That means number of how many total coins are in this bag? 2000 coins. Right? This is your answer. So children, answer you will write here 2000 coins. Let's see the question B. 54 kilogram. Okay. So you have to find the number of coins in 50 kilogram bag. So children, this is your homework. This question you will try to solve yourself in your notebook. Right. Same way you will do this question. Here is given 4500 gram. So here no need to convert into gram because it is already converted. Okay. So also you will try to solve both question in your notebook. Now let's see the question D. Okay. So I have written this question in notebook. The weight of the bag is 2 kilogram and 250 gram. So as you know, weight of a 5 rupees coin is 9 gram, right? And weight of a sack is 2 kg and 250 gram. But children, here we have to convert into gram. And here no need to convert. Why? Because here is already given in gram. So only this we have to this weight we have to convert. So how to convert? We will multiply 2 by 1000. So children, here what we write? 2 kg is equal to 2000 gram plus 250 gram. When we add both number, what we get? 2250 gram. That is the weight of a sack of 5 rupees coins. Right. Now we have to find number of coins in 2250 250 gram sack. So what we do, children? Same process we have to apply here. We will divide. Okay. 2250 divide by 9. Right? So how to divide, children? So let's divide here. Here I have written this number 2250 divided by 9. So read the table of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27. So what we do here, we will write 9 twos are 18. Now let's subtract. When we subtract 18 from 22, we get 4. Okay. Now this 5 we will bring down. Now here is 45. So again we read the table of 9 to get 45. So everybody's know the table of 9. So 9 5s are 45. So 5 times came. So here I have written 5 and here will be 45. Again we subtract. So it will be 0. Then remaining 0 we will bring down. So 9 zeros are 0. Let's subtract. So what we found? 250. So we will write here 250 coins. That is your answer. So we can say number, how many coins? Total 250 coins are in the bag of 2 kgs and 250 grams. Okay. I hope you understood this concept. So remaining question B, C and E is your homework. You must have to solve in your notebook and then you show to me. Thank you.